Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make falooda. Please enjoy.
Okay, so
Thank
right
you.
now first take whatever fruits you want. I'm using kirni and mango over here and just add it into the bottom of the glass. Okay, right now I have filled up the fruits in both of the cups and I'm taking falooda, the rose falooda which I have made earlier and adding them gently on top of both the bowls. Okay, so right now I have filled up both of the bowls and I'm now layering the next layer with mango and kirni again. You can do this how much ever times you want. Okay, so right now I'm starting on the next layer and I'm adding the rose falooda again on top of both the bowls. Okay, right now I've finished layering it and next I'm topping this with a couple of walnuts. So this is just to add a little bit of nutty flavor here and there so that there's a contrast between the sweet falooda and the nutty walnut. So that's it. The rose falooda is ready. It's looking pretty delicious and therefore thank you. Please be sure to like, share and subscribe and leave your comment about what you think about this video. Thank you very much.